Hey guys, I have to tell you, I just finished my first course on the Brushcamp website on the foundations of anime line drawing and sketching. What an amazing experience this has been. I love art. I love all kinds of art drawing, sketching, painting, you name it. Art has always been my happy place. It's my go to. And I've always had a particular interest in anime art. I just find it to be so fascinating. It's such an interesting form of art. And I've been wanting to learn more about it. But I was hesitant to spend money on a course I just wasn't sure about. They can be quite costly. Well, one day when I was on Facebook, I happened to come across an ad from the Brushcamp website where they were offering a free trial on their anime course, on the foundations course. And and I thought this is perfect. This is exactly what I need. It's at no cost to me and it covers the content that I'm interested in learning. So I signed up. Well, I'm so glad I did. The course covers everything you need to know as far as foundations and basics are concerned. The face, the eyes, the nose, the mouth, the torso, it's all included. And quite possibly even better than that, than all the information and the knowledge that you're getting, is the companion that you have with you every step of the way. He's there to support you, to guide you, to give you feedback. I would send him my work and he would promptly return it to me with suggestions and ways that I can improve my work. I was so happy. At times it was challenging, but I was so happy with the way I progressed through this course. My skill set has improved dramatically. It was such a great experience. As a matter of fact, I just signed up for the next level, which is the journey into anime, so I can bring my characters to life. I'm really looking forward to it. So if you are thinking about it, take advantage of this free trial. You have nothing to lose. It's a wonderful experience. You will not regret it.